Just put together. Cool, huh, bud? Cool. You want to put your block in? Watch. Check it. Whoa. Yeah, go ahead. You got to put it's underneath. No, don't do it. On the side. Look, right here. You just grab right in there. What letter is it? And you grab it and you say the letter and put it in. It's a B. Now you push it in. Boom. There's different buttons to push it on too, huh? What's this do? Whoa. Whoa, colors and all, buddy. And then you can move it around, huh? Hopefully put this other stuff together. The bike and all that.